What's up, entrepreneurs? Brand with Credit here, back with another video. Photoshop, Illustrator. Which program should you use to make a logo? So both programs can produce a logo, but when you want to resize that logo, one of these programs is going to cause your logo to look like this, and you don't want that. So this graphic is pixelated.
Pixel what?
Yes, pixelated. It's grainy, it's unclear, and it looks a mess. Now smaller, it might look great. So this is what's called a raster image, and it was created in Photoshop. So Photoshop is what's called a raster-based program that was initially created for photographers to edit videos. Hence the name Photoshop. But it's used for so many different things now, like flyer design and website graphics. But it uses pixels to create these images. And pixels are small squares of color that are combined to create the images, which is how pictures and photos are made. The problem with images being made up of pixels is that once they're saved at a certain resolution, high or low, you can't add more pixels to it. So this means that you can't enlarge the image without it losing resolution or losing quality or becoming pixelated. So the reason this happens is because when you save an image at a certain resolution, it's measured by what's called pixels per inch, or PPI. And low resolution images are saved at 72 PPI for website graphics, and high resolution images are saved at 300 DPI for print graphics or print design. And website graphics are saved as low resolution files because they can look good on the screen but be small enough to upload to the internet pretty quickly. Now look at this logo I created in Photoshop. And even though I created it at 300 PPI, it's still pixelated when I enlarge it. It doesn't look good at all. So what if you wanted your logo to, on a billboard or the outside of your building? This wouldn't work. Now, Illustrator is a vector-based program, and vector graphics are created using lines and shapes and points. I know you didn't come here for geometry, but lines and shapes and points is what enables the graphic or the logo to have smooth and clean lines that can easily be edited and scaled as big as you want or as small as you want without losing the quality of the logo. And the cool thing about Illustrator is that anything you create in it is going to be higher resolution regardless of the size you created it, because it's a vector-based program. And vector images are not created by pixels. Look at this logo I created in Illustrator next to the same logo I created in Photoshop. You see how it's enlarged without losing the quality? This is what you want. This is what your logo is supposed to be able to do. Be able to be scaled to any size without losing quality. Not only do pixelated images look a mess, they're hard to read and they show a lack of professionalism. Your graphics are a reflection of your brand. So if you want your business to be taken seriously and you want your graphics to reflect the professional brand that you are, having pixelated images is not an option. That is not the business. So should you use Photoshop or Illustrator to design your logo? Use Adobe Illustrator. But wait, no shade on Photoshop at all. I've created some really dope graphics in Photoshop. Flyer designs, stationery designs, website graphics, social media graphics, ads. I mean, you see my social media pages, right? If not, those links are in the description below. It's just not the best program to use for logo design, that's all.
Not only should your logo design be created in Illustrator, it should also be based around your brand strategy and brand persona or personality. Not sure of your brand personality? Take my brand personality quiz to find your unique brand archetype to be able to apply it to your brand strategy and discover your unique traits to attract your ideal clients. And that quiz is at brandwithcreta.com/brand personality quiz. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.